them. All right. What's good, Soul Squad? It's Jordan coming back at you guys with another sneaker video. Today we have the Lightning Force to unbox. So without further ado, let's just jump right in.
This is the 8 subscribers. You just sneak this in. You gotta hit that subscribe button.
Yeah, this is my first pair of shoes. I haven't had a pair of shoes guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, I'm Jordan and we do sneaker reviews, vlogs, skits, and we're only 5 subs away from 450 subscribers and 55 subs away from the big 500. So if you guys want to stick around, see more content from me, make sure to drop a sub and join the Soul Squad today. Yeah, let's go ahead and get into these fours. So today is August 28th, 2021, and the Lightning 4s have released in full family sizes. So the Air Jordan 4 originally dropped in 1989 for a retail price of $110. It was designed by Tinker Hatfield and was the second Air Jordan to showcase the visible air bubble in the midsole, and it's just one of the most iconic sneakers. And yeah, so that's a little bit of the history. Now let's jump right into these. Alrighty guys, we brought Cody back for this release. Last time we had him on with the Oreo 4s, but he's been super excited and waiting for drop day for the Lightning 4s, so thought why not unbox them. But before we do want to talk about the box a little, pull off lid, we got the new or not the new for so just a little about the box. The box top is yellow with a gray Jordan Jumpman and Flight in white. The bottom of the box is the regular cement, and yeah, retail is $220. I'll give you guys a look at my size tag really quick. But yeah, let's get to unboxing them. Yeah, both of them. All right. Cement paper on the inside. Okay, give you guys that look. I've seen a lot of pictures in or online, not too many. I haven't seen them in person yet. But it seemed like there was a lot of people out wanting these today and a lot of people rocking them already. What do you think?
I like them.
Huh? I like them. Man, a few words, what can I say? So out of the box, yeah, just first initial reaction, very light yellow. The laces are a pretty nice yellow, a little darker. It doesn't feel like a suede, it's like a nubuck material. And yeah.
It was like the material that was on the What the Fives.
What the Fives, okay. Yeah, maybe a little, I don't know, less nubucky than that. Like shorter.
What did he say?
But yeah, so I guess we should just wait. So what are your initial reactions to the shoe? You've been waiting on it for a while.
I don't know, I like them. I like how they kept the original style, the old ones, especially with this. I don't know what it's called. Like this. I like that they kept it gray instead of switching to black all over the shoe. It's pretty fire. I've been waiting for them.
Yeah, true. So starting from the bottom, we have this gray insole with some white traction pads here, and then a yellow Jumpman on the bottom. The midsole is white with gray, and then we have stitching along the front of the shoe. And moving to the uppers, we have this yellow, very light yellow nubuck material, a darker yellow lace. We have gray, yeah, I don't know the names of these either, like lace holders, and then very black metallic lace holders up there. Gray Jordan Jump logo with a white Jordan Jump man. And then the inside is a white insole. A white insole, it's looking like on the inside of the shoe. But yeah, from the box to the shoe, it really does look pretty dope. We don't have any Nike Air on the back of these, but it is the, what is it, gray? What color? The color is...
One eternity later.
Yeah, it looks gray.
Dark blue gray is the color. But yeah, these are pretty dope. The original pair dropped back in 2006. Those go for like 9? Are you sure? Yeah. Are we sure here? Can we get some facts going here? I may be off on this.
These are my gray ones.
3 days later.
What? 2006. This guy is off the donk. Got a little. It's a little woozy.
2009.
I think it's 2006.
There's no way it's 2006. I swear to God, that's what I thought too at first. But then someone was like, "Oh, it's 09," and I was like, "Oh, was it?" Then I looked it up and it said 09. And I was like, "Oh, frick, okay."
Mixed reviews.
This got to be wrong. 2006. That's so weird. It's 2 a.m. I not feeling right.
Discombobulated. So what are you happy about this shoe with?
It's yellow. Yeah.
But yeah, like there isn't too much to say. The fours have been going off this year. They had the University Blue fours, which went crazy. We're getting these fours, the Tech Gray / Oreo fours. All the fours this year have really hit. The Starfish fours, maybe not too much. But like the fours game this year has been dope. It's been amazing. I love that they switched up the box. Lace combination that might look good. Maybe a black. Black, yeah. Maybe white, yeah, to match with the midsole. But the shoe's clean no matter how you look at it. Hopefully you guys were able to cop for retail. Resale's going for around like $3. I know some stores have them for like $3.80 and stuff. But yeah, definitely not a bad shoe. Actually pretty dope. I feel like the more I look at them and feel them, the more they're gonna grow on me, because it is a really dope shoe. Might have to wear them to school on Monday. We also do have Flight in yellow on the tag here. But any other thoughts regarding the Lightning 4 Tour yellow? I guess you could say too. No.
What I do hope for is that they also release the Thunder 4s to go with these. That would be great.
That'd be cool. I have a caption for that.
So do
I think the caption is the same.
Maybe.
Thank you, Cody, for coming on the show, helping us do a little unboxing. It is 2 a.m., so it is very late. You know, I'm on the grind, want to get this content out to you guys, to the Soul Squad. But yeah, overall, man, I don't know. The more I hold it in hand, the more I grow a liking to it. I really like the black on the lace holder. These are called wings, past me. These are called wings. But yeah, very cool. I saw the original pair of the Lightning 4s at Urban, but they were wrapped up, so I couldn't feel the materials on those. But materials on these are not bad. I would have liked it if the Lightning 4 was a little darker, if the nubuck was a little darker. But yeah, I'm really loving this netting. I could definitely throw on some black laces to see how those would look. But overall, no complaints about the shoe at all. I like that they give the yellow box top, but we do get a price increase of $20. I really like the shoes. If you guys are local to the Las Vegas area and looking for some shoes, you can check us out on Akame Kicks, which is Cody's, or mine, which is Kicked Out LV. Either way, you can message us there. And our Instagram is Jordan in Vegas. Cody's still working on his Instagram. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I wonder if I should keep doing like where me and Cody unbox if we both get a pair, or just me here. But either way, hope you guys did enjoy today's video. Hope you guys stay tuned and enjoy the Soul Squad. Any questions you have, feel free to ask me. I'm always replying to your guys' comments, and I love seeing your guys' comments. But yeah, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Stay tuned for the pickup vlog. And yeah, let me know your guys' thoughts on the Air Jordan 4 Lightning 4 2021. But yeah, alright guys, till next time, have a beautiful, blessed, lovely day. Be safe, and I'll see you.
I hate you.
It's not 1,000 degrees in this room.
How dare you?
How
How dare you tell these vegan news?
Oh my freaking God. Get up.
Hey! Stop!
Take the picture.
What is wrong with you? You're like so mean.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Alrighty, let's get it. Doesn't matter, you're wrong. No, I was like, no, I read that wrong. I read the Spanish part.
What?
Dark blue.
Look at that.
Dark blue gray. Dark blue gray is the color. Huh? What's good, Soul Squad? It's Jordan. Oh my God. Yeah, first Jordans dropped back in 1989. And then Had a few colorways.
Those were the days. Yeah, 2006. That's so weird. It's 2 in the morning. I not feeling right.
What's lightning plus 4? Lightning 4. That's what we're going to be talking about in this big yellow box right beside me.
The netting is this really dark black. I really like the metallic they put on the shoe.